Nothing beats a gorgeous nude lip combo. I'm gonna show you guys my signature look, and I'm gonna show you how I overdraw my lips so that it still looks natural. Starting off with a nude lip pencil. I'm obsessed with this one by Kylie Cosmetics. We're gonna start with the bottom lip. I'm taking that lip pencil just at the bottom, right in the middle, and I'm gonna really overdraw it. So if I show you, it is way overdrawn. But when my lips are open like that, it's not as noticeable. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that lip pencil and we're gonna bring it to each corner of the lip, but we're gonna stay within the lip line. So I've joined the lip pencil to the corners, but I made sure to not overdraw this area here, or that's when it's gonna look really exaggerated and too overdone. Now going to the Cupid's bow, I'm gonna overdraw this area, but again, I'm gonna follow that same technique I showed you with the bottom lip. Really like to exaggerate my Cupid's bow. That's what's gonna give the lips that really nice plump look. And now I'm gonna take these and connect them. So you can see when I'm connecting it, I'm bringing it downward and then I'm following my natural lip line. So the outer corners of your lips should not be overdrawn. Just this area here and right under there. If you want, you can take the lip pencil and fill in your lips a little bit. I like to do that. If you make a mistake, don't be scared to go in with a little bit of concealer just to sharpen the edges. Now I'm going in with my favorite lipstick. I'm sure you've seen this all over my channel. This is the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Lipstick. I just feel like it's a perfect nude for me and it has a nice glossy finish. I'm actually gonna step it up a notch, and if you want your lips to look extra plump, go in with a gloss right in the center of your lips like that. So I'm only concentrating the gloss right in the middle, and this is gonna further enhance the fullness of your lips. And here's the finished look. You can see my lips look fuller, but it doesn't look unnatural.